everybody. Here's the 2017. It's snowing if you didn't notice. Alright, today is January 1st, 2017. If the rest of these days look anything like this, it's gonna be a really, really good year. So you guys are probably wondering how I celebrated New Year's Eve. I sat in a hammock and watched the rain pretty much the entire night. Keep in mind, this is Southern California, and it is about 28 degrees outside, and it is snowing quite a lot. I'm gonna continue this in the car because it's becoming a whiteout out here. If that's the word. Again, I'm from Southern California, I don't know my snow terms. Oh god, that's a lot better. That is a hell of a lot better. Oh, feels good to be in here though, I'll tell you what. Anyways guys, but Happy New Year. It is now 2017 and I'm feeling so good about this year. I don't know, I want to make sure I kicked it off right, so I don't know, I got up super early and I want to see a really cool sunrise. Well, over there I didn't get to see quite the sunrise, but it's starting to show up right over there, so I want to jump out of the car real quick and enjoy it for a moment. Now that is what I'm talking about. Oh, this is so cool. Tell you what, when the snow's not pelting you in the face and you're not soaking wet, it's actually really nice. It's really really something special here. And for today, it might go one of two ways. Either I'm going to work or I'm not going to work. I'm supposed to work at 10 o'clock. The shop opens at 8 o'clock, so I'll find out about 8 o'clock whether or not I need to come in. But I don't think I'm gonna need to come in because who wants to go on a kayak tour on New Year's? Everyone's probably hungover, exhausted. Well, I can't really see too well right now because the sun is insanely bright. But I am going to work today. I just got a call from Lainey. I got my GoPro and my chest mount, so it should be good. Well, that is the end of that day. Just one tour today. There's a little smudge on there. Only did one tour today, not bad. But I am freezing right now because I flipped over going out. I don't know the last time I flipped over while paddling out. It's okay though. Only everybody saw me, it's not that big of a deal. So now I am cruising back home. There's one more thing I want to do today before the sun goes down. So I've been riding bikes for probably 10 to 15 years now. And of course I've always tried doing wheelies and stuff, but I've never religiously tried to do a wheelie. On average, maybe I was shooting 5 to 10 foot wheelies. But I came across a video yesterday of a guy who did like a 100-meter wheelie, and he learned in like 6 hours. And although I've never really tried that hard to get it going, one thing I've never even done is ever touch the rear brake, which apparently you need to touch the rear brake. So I am reopening this challenge of trying to do a wheelie. I got like 3 more hours of sunlight left. Let's see if we can do it. So there's a school not too far from my house that has a big open blacktop, so I can give it a shot. Alright, so this is going to be my first attempt of the day. This is where we set the bar. See how much I have to learn. We got some work to do. So I think that's 45 minutes total of practice. I still suck. We'll pick this up again another day. What's up guys, I am currently editing out this video the next day. I made a sign off clip, but it won't show up on the computer, so I'm signing it off right here. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you today. For you, that is tomorrow. Thanks for watching.